Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more. Let's have a look at this question. Two blocks A and B are connected by a light thread that passes over a smooth, frictionless pulley. Block A rests on a rough horizontal surface while block B is initially held stationary just below the pulley. Now remember, stationary means it's not moving at all. The diagram illustrates the thread while it is slack. Block B is released and falls straight down. The thread remains loose until block B has fallen a distance of 0.45 meters. The mass of block B is 0.50 kilograms and the mass of block A is 2 kilograms. Once the thread becomes taut, it pulls block A, causing it to move to the right with a speed of 0.60 meters per second. Calculate the impulse acting on block A as it accelerates from rest to a speed of 0.60 meters per second. I just want to add all the information to the diagram so we know that block A has a mass of 2 kilograms and it starts from rest, which means the initial velocity is equal to 0. We know that block B has a mass of 0.5 kilograms. Now, block A is pulled until it reaches a speed of 0.60 meters per second. So it is pulled to the right until it reaches a speed of 0.60 meters per second. I'm going to write that down as well. We are asked to calculate the impulse acting on block A. Now remember, impulse equals the change in momentum. So what I'll do first is I'll calculate the change in momentum. Let's start with the initial momentum. So remember, momentum is equal to the product of an object's mass and its velocity. So the mass is equal to 2 kilograms and the initial velocity is 0 because we know that it starts from rest. Now 2 times 0 is equal to 0, so the initial momentum is equal to 0. Let's move on to the final momentum. Again, momentum is equal to an object's mass multiplied by its velocity. Now the mass is still the same, it's 2 kilograms. What about the velocity? We know that block A is pulled until it reaches a speed of 0.60 meters per second. So this is the final velocity. So I'm going to substitute this value into the formula, 0.60. 2 multiplied by 0.60 is equal to 1.2. So the final momentum is equal to 1.2 kilograms meters per second. Now the change in momentum is equal to the final momentum minus the initial momentum, and we know that the initial momentum is equal to 0. So basically this will be 1.2 minus 0, and that gives us 1.2. Now the impulse is equal to the change in momentum, which is 1.2. So that means the impulse acting on block A is equal to 1.2 Newton seconds. Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.